Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm actually back. It's been a while since I actually recorded a video because I have a lot of backlog videos going up, and last one was actually um, the unboxing video for these guys. So yeah, and a few others that I forgot about. But yeah, but yeah, this is a unboxing video of Hasbro Cobalt Dragoon. Finally getting this. I actually got this in Target. I should have recorded it, but I was listening to a What If story. If you guys don't know, I'm a really big Harry Potter fan. Besides, yeah. But yeah. Yeah, I did get this one. I found out I got this one because I like the design of it, but finding out the character that actually uses this, it's actually part of one of my favorite female characters, brother. But yeah, George. This is George Weasley's wand. I do want to get Sirius Black's wand, but yeah. I will be actually getting another that and Ginny Weasley's wand, and maybe Nymphadora, if you know. But yeah, that's not the point of this video. But this is like a little overview of what's been going on since the last actual update of this, and a few other things I plan on doing. I'll be finally finishing the oh shit, sorry, tired. Well, not real tired, but yeah. Been up, had to do taxes, being an adult. But yeah. I've been collecting a few things that is non-Beyblade related stuff. That's why hasn't been really a lot of, or so yeah, adjusting my Hasbro stuff of non-Beyblade related stuff like getting a few series stuff I haven't done in a long time, like this right here at least. Yes, I have stuff right there, but yep, that's Lego F1 stuff. Okay, I'm back. Then let me put that back. Also, I will be getting. I put this in my stadium because I need to get new shelving units. But yeah, been getting these guys for like $3 a piece. Like this Bigfoot I recently got this Friday. Since you'll be seeing this Monday. Since I have a video going up Sunday, and I'm getting 4 more of the wave. I'm just missing one wave 3, and getting the rest of wave or some of the other wave 4 stuff. If I'm saying it wrong, I think this is wave 3 or wave 4. Blanking right now, but yeah, getting like Bigfoot and like a Gravedigger stuff. Recently got these guys. Big Monster Jam fan. But that's besides the point. If you can't tell, this is another thing I just got in today, or just bought. Same time I got those Bigfoot and stuff like that, I got this. I'm a big Dr. Pepper fan. I got the shirt too. I actually got the shirt, if I didn't see the hat, because I'm a big hat person. Also, I got this a while back too. A Wario hat, big Mario fan. Not really happy about the pricing for the Switch 2, but yeah. Besides that, let me actually get into this. Oh, shit. Let me get the bottom. Okay, yeah. Why is that? Okay, let's get this open. Oh, shit. There, luckily I had to have this. Good. Surprisingly, we're finally getting in California, at least for me, in California, getting the Wave 4, Wave 3, because I know a lot of people have been looking at seeing it. A lot of people are getting Wave 2 stuff. We have a ton of Wave 2 stuff. Finally getting Wave 3. Actually, the last ones were actually these guys. And yeah, I got those guys like in the last few weeks. Also, I got a ton of these guys. I actually have four Hasbro, and it actually made a combo, the Japanese combo for it. Actually, excuse me, got it a Incendio, yeah, Scythe Incendios combo, the 360 ball one. Did that as my main combo. Yeah, here's the left spin. Now I have 3 left spin launchers. One Hasbro, one Takara Tomy. Now I actually have both Hasbro and Takara Tomy. Or both Hasbro ones. I'm using the red Hasbro launcher for Hasbro. And now I'm using the blue launcher for the Takara Tomy stuff. And I'm literally looking at my second Takara Tomy launcher. That's on my shelf. God damn it. I hate this. Need to toss that. Also, I'm finally finishing the Beyblade manga. I will be linking it in the description where you can actually get the actual name. And it's not in English, but it's Japanese stuff. All 20 volumes on it. Now I finally finished the missing chapters I got. Really happy about that. I can finally finish that. And that video, the final for that one won't be ending till July something, 2027. Yeah, this series will be very long. Really have to get this, all this. And here's the QR code. Really have to get this. Let me actually. Yeah, of course I'll be getting a ton of these guys. Can't wait till they get the wave well. I still need to get the Takara Tomy stuff for it, but yeah. I'm really happy to get these to my collection. Putting the launchers in my stadium, but yeah. Also, I got the single version of this guy, so I'll have 2 of these guys for the collection. Really happy to get that, and the black, basically, this recolor for him, that will be coming in. And that weird color, Buster Excalibur. I have the normal Buster Excalibur coming, but that won't be here until the 12th. And the 4 others will be here tomorrow. Or Sunday. So it's the 2-pack. The Train Beat 2-pack. Actually, I can grab the ones that will be in it. Shit. Sorry, I'm watching a Devon Dudley video on YouTube. Yes, I do watch YouTube. Wrestling's been part for a while since I was a kid. But yeah, I've been doing a lot of stuff off camera that I just haven't had a chance to record. But yeah, I got this 2-pack. I need to get the other one too. Do have to the collection. But yeah, definitely really fun. And I haven't said this earlier, but this is one of my favorite Ricos. I love this red and black. Just like Illinook, my favorite colors are red, black, and white. At least my main color scheme, and this is a close second color scheme, or second one is my school colors. That is orange and black. That I will be trying to do with my main Takara Tomy stadium. I need to clean this. I seriously need to clean it. But yeah, this will be with the orange. I will be getting the UX 04 just for the actual more base and the another wizard rod. But yeah, a lot of stuff coming into the channel. Also, I really love this one. This one's actually, I really love the character design for him. And Jiro? Yeah, Jiro is his name, I think. I still need to do a ton of videos. Stay tuned, there's going to be a lot of stuff coming to the channel. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.